मैन जादव सोनकर मिर्जा mixed aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation. An aldol condensation is a condensation reaction in organic chemistry in which an enol or enolate ion reacts with a carbonyl compound to form a hydroxyaldehyde or hydroxyketone. It's called aldol condensation. It means what is an aldol condensation is a condensation reaction in organic chemistry in which an enolate reacts with a carbonyl compound to form a hydroxyaldehyde. The formation of a hydroxyaldehyde or a hydroxyketone is called aldol condensation. The process is also simply known as aldol reaction. It is an example of electrophilic replacement at the alpha carbon present in enolate or enols and ions called aldol condensation. Mixed aldol condensation reaction. The process is also known as crossed aldol condensation and occurs during the combination of two different molecules that contain carbonyl groups. Generally, such a reaction is only partial if no alpha hydrogens are present in one of the compounds. This way, only one nucleophile is formed and only a single enol or enolate is generated. The process is also known as mixed condensation reaction, crossed condensation or crossed condensation. Typically, a mixed reaction occurs between ketone and an aldehyde having no alpha hydrogens. This leads to the nucleophile being generated entirely from the ketone. The aldehyde is usually more reactive towards nucleophiles compared to the ketone. This further reduces the possibility of unwanted self-condensation of the ketone. Mixed condensation reaction example.